Hi there. I've had a few questions on the installation of this head unit, which I've made, I think, 6 videos on. Should be fairly straightforward. But one question which hasn't been addressed is how good the screen is, and also how quick the machine is. So the normal machines can take about, or other machines I've seen can take about between 8 seconds and 1 minute to actually log on. So it varies from unit to unit, and that also depends on the amount of cores it have. This has got an 8-core unit with 6 gigabytes, and I'm going to just switch on to show you how quick it is, and it'll also give you an idea of the screen. So let's start the engine. Okay, and there you can see that is pretty quick. Okay, that is pretty quick. So I'm going to now go back and go to the home screen, and there's your radio. So we're going to hit the radio.
2888291.
And again, that is fast. So it just works very quickly. So I'll mute it just now. And one other question was, how fast can you get your maps up? So let's find the maps. And where do I keep them? But you can see how quickly that moves. There we go. 1, 2. There you go. Okay, so it moves quite quickly, the maps as well. And I go back, and I don't know, what else can I show you? I think let's go to settings. There you go. So you got all these settings as well. Let me just scroll up. Oh, there we go. Scroll down. Okay, but again, moves quite nicely. You can move around and clicks through. And these things, all these buttons here are programmable as well. This one, for some reason, always goes to mute. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but it doesn't go to off. I always manage to get it to mute. You can do multiple screens over there, so you can see, you can just pick one of these screens that you've got. You can have different splash screens when you're starting the setup. As you see, it goes so quickly that you know, there's hardly any point in really doing that. What else have I got in here? I've got the torque set up here, which again, there we go. You can see the speed of movement is very, very quick. So hopefully that will give you an idea of how fast these units are running at. And once it started, you can see it's connecting to the OBDI port. And now you can see the dials moving and stuff like that. So going back again, I'm going to quit torque there and just flip through my various settings. Let's go to graph equalizer, and you can see that they've got a huge amount of settings as well, including your bass speakers, individual bass controls. And that's just fantastic. It's a fantastic setup there. And of course you've got your Google Chrome across there. That's pretty quick as well, loading up. So overall, you can just see it's a fast machine. You've got this little dot here, which I think, there you go, gives you like a quick launcher as well. Okay, so you can go to like your apps from there. Now I'm going to pop that away. I don't know how to shut that yet, but I will do at some point. There we go. Press somewhere else, it disappears. So anyway, there you go. That's how fast the unit is. If you're interested in this, then use the link below. They will send you out a free OBDI code reader, which plugs into your OBDI port, and that will integrate with this unit. Brilliant. Take care. Have fun.